Homemade hair removal wax. Unwanted hair always causes embarrassment. No one likes to have hair on their body parts. But unfortunately, we all have it at least on some body parts. We often feel ashamed to ask for suggestions on how to remove the public hair permanently. Some people have more hair while others not so much. But in both cases, we suddenly have some hairs we want to be removed. It's on our legs, arms, or face. This problem with excessive hairness is usually linked with some kind of hormonal imbalance, prolonged use of some medications, irregular periods, and pregnancy. So, by following this simple home remedy, we can get rid of unwanted hair from home. Sugaring. Sugaring works as a natural treatment for removing facial as well as body hair. Unlike waxing, it requires pulling the hair in the direction of hair growth, which causes less pain and skin irritation. Ingredients: sugar, lemon, honey, water. Direction: take a pan. Now add 1 cup of sugar. Add 1 to 4 cup of lemon juice. Now add 2 to 3 teaspoons of honey. Take 1 to 4 cup of water in pan. Now boil the mixture until it becomes a liquid. Turn off the heat and let the mixture to cool. Now take the mixture into a bowl. Now prepare your skin by dusting a little cornstarch and then spread the mixture on your face in opposite direction of the hair growth. Put a cotton strip over the layer of sugar paste and let it sit for a few minutes. Finally, pull it off quickly in the direction of hair growth. After your waxing, you can store this mixture in a refrigerator. Due to natural ingredients added in this wax cannot cause any harm or side effects to your skin. Conclusion: going to the parlor and wasting money as well as your time can be saved if you follow this home remedy.
Subscribe our YouTube channel to watch more videos.